आज हम बात करने वाले हैं मेकअप सैंडविचिंग की। What is this technique and what are the uses of this technique? Makeup sandwiching not only increases the longevity of the makeup, it also gives hydration. मैं जानती हूँ आप में से बहुत लोगों ने ये किया होगा, इसको बस हमने एक नाम दे दिया है मेकअप सैंडविचिंग। तो बेसिकली मेकअप सैंडविचिंग एक ऐसी टेक्निक है जिसमें आप अपने फेस को हाइड्रेशन देते हो, मेकअप को लॉक करते हो, और वो कैसे करते हो? एक मेकअप स्प्रे के थ्रू। आप इसे अपने कंसीलर या फाउंडेशन से पहले लगा सकते हो, इसके बाद आप अपना कलर करेक्शन करोगे। इस टेक्निक को आप एवरीडे मेकअप में भी कर सकते हो, पार्टी मेकअप में भी, ब्राइडल मेकअप में भी। अगर आप एक प्रोफेशनल मेकअप आर्टिस्ट हो तो मैं श्योरली जानती हूँ कि आप ये करते ही होंगे, लेकिन ये एवरीडे में भी काम आता है और स्पेशली हाइड्रेशन देने में ये काम आता है। Now you can skip the foundation also. This is super good for dry skin as well as combination skin. Oily skin को थोड़ा ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. Maybe just spray it 2 times only, but generally for dry skin we sometimes spray 3 to 4 times as well, but not too much. And make sure करें कि eyes पे अगर eye makeup किया हुआ है तो ज़्यादा spray eyes पे ना आए. So how we do it when eyes makeup is done? You just keep your hand like this and then spray on the face. Now when you're doing this too much, don't spray on your beauty blender a lot because that will become extra and that can mess up your makeup. Now if you're extra dry, do it after this step or do it after you are done powdering. Make sure गीले बेस पे कभी भी पाउडरिंग नहीं करनी है. लेट इट ड्राई completely and then powder. Make sure you are using a hydrating mist or hydrating spray, something like these. Don't spray matte sprays, otherwise your face will become too matte and it can become chalky, makeup can come off and you might can get cracks as well. Now make sure some of the makeup setting sprays have alcohol in them, so try to avoid them and use them in the end only. You can also use dewy mist setting sprays which gives little bit of shine, but make sure you don't do them on texture areas as well. So I would say hydrating mist is a best deal, and then you can go ahead with dewy sprays which can give little bit of shine, but try to avoid spraying them on textured areas. And in the end, when you're done with your makeup, you can spray it again, but you need setting spray. If you really want to set your makeup for the full day, then you can go ahead with setting spray, something like this or something like this. These two are amazing to set your makeup and make you look flawless all day. So this is my TikTok series which will talk about the makeup hacks that are there on TikTok that are viral, and I want to make these quick videos so that you can watch these videos and these won't take much of your time. So this is Neha Devgan saying bye bye.